Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from WARSUN. Now this here is their SQ03. Now this is a complete kit. They sent this to me, it comes in this box. No real information on the outside, so let's go ahead and get this open, see what's in. Done quite a few WARSUN lights here on my channel, especially way back in the day, but as of late, looks like you've got a battery tube extension here, or adapter, and for an 18650. It's nice to be able to have that. Use that in other lights as well. One USB Type-C to charging cable. Now they don't give any specs in the manual, but it is multi-language, just very tiny writing on how to use it. Multi-language. And if I remember correctly, I think this is 1,000 lumens. And there it is. Nice looking light. Shows that you can use a 21700 cell, which is included, or your smaller 18650 with that a tube. Power switch there. Got the blue bezel, blue trim there. Got the side lights on here, it's nice. Now this is also magnetic on the tail cap, and that's super strong, and the battery's in it. Hands-free, it's great for camping, emergencies, fun, adventures, whatever you're going to do with it. Can table stand that if you need to. Make it a little table lamp. Want to do it upside down, you can do so that way as well. It's got a clip. It's kind of on the short side. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. Definitely is a comfortable design to carry this casually. Style design on this is nice. Here's the charging port there. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the main LED there. Smooth reflector. Now they don't say what LED they're using, so it's probably a proprietary of some sort. And of course we got the LEDs here on the side. And the machining and finish on this is nice. It's kind of a semi-gloss. Alright, well let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring there. It's pretty heavy, it's got the magnet on it. Got a protection piece here. I would save them if I were you. I always do. You can use them in other lights as well. So here's the 21700 cell. This is a protected cell, so it's a little bit longer here at the top. 5500 milliamp. Probably going to be at least 15 amp. And looks like there's a spring down inside there. Yep. So you can use other 21700 cells in there, which is great. That way you could just swap it out without having to charge it up. Now we got it all back together. Let's go ahead and go through the UI. I'm going to turn it on here. It definitely is a cool white. Oh, that's a nice beam. Definitely is more of a combination. Does have a pretty good cutoff. Not super sharp there, but still good. Now you can see the battery level indicator behind there. That will start to turn red and blink when it's critically low. And just click on. Yeah, the strobe is inline. Not a huge fan of that. And it is a constant rate on the flash. And if you leave it on for at least 10 seconds, I think 8 seconds, it'll automatically come on the highest output there, and we'll go to strobe, and it shuts off. Now I kind of wish they had not have the strobe inline, but it's not a big deal. So now we're going to turn it down to the lowest. Let me see if we can turn it off from here. Well, you can turn on the side lights with that. I'm not too sure. Maybe that's a little bit cooler than 5K. Definitely not cool white, but close to it. I'm going to press and hold again. A little bit of PW. Well, kind of goes away. Got the red strobe. Try to go through these without so the side lights, if you just want to turn them on from off, quite a bit of light output for that. And you can see it's a little warmer than the main light. If I turn it on here, definitely see this one's more of a cool white. 3 levels and then strobe. And to skip it, we'll just go ahead and turn on the side lights and then turn it off. Pretty simple. This is actually a nice color temp on there. Nice build quality overall. Not seeing any issues. The side lights definitely does have quite a bit of light that comes out of there. It's got some weight to it, but you can use the 18650, make it a little bit lighter. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this SQ03 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the WARSUN SQ03. We're going to do the main beam first. Comes on the highest setting. So we're going to do the famous Tree of Life. Spill area is pretty good. Nice hot spot. And it is making that first palm tree and the second one. It's got some pretty good range on it. .238 feet there behind the Tree of Life, so it's got some good range on it, as you can see. I like this combination beam. It's doing really well, especially for the budget price for it. Tree line, fence line. Kind of give you an idea there. Let's go here. I'm going to turn it back on and go down to the next level. kind of just pan around here. Still got some good light output and range on this level. 238 feet there. 65 feet here. Now I have a link below my video showing my testing area and how far things are. Let's go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on. Not a huge fan of that. I wish it would just go to the next level down. And we know strobe is in line, so I won't do that. Still making 138 feet at this light output level. That's still pretty good. Now let's do the floodlights. Skip the strobe here. You can see there, highest output. Nice wide beam on here. I'll press and hold again and go down to the next level. No PWM here, but it was started to a little bit, so it's kind of a hit and miss. You could probably use this for a video, and as long as there's some kind of reflective light back. Now we're going to do the next level down. Gotta do it again here. That's the lowest. Not a huge fan of the UI, but it's okay. A little bit of PWM there. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice combination beam coming out of here. It's got some pretty good range. Spill areas, very nice and bright. Definitely illuminates the foreground. The side LEDs, a lot of light coming out of here is impressive. The beam being cool white, 6,000 K is my preferred. It may be a little warmer sometimes, depends on the light. And easy to use light. This is definitely budget friendly. The WARSUN lights, I've been doing them for many years, way back in the day on YouTube. And this being able to run an 18650 in here using this adapter or the 21700 cell, you're going to get a lot more runtime out of the 21700 cell. You can use any battery you want, but if you're wanting something a little more lightweight, you can use a nice quality high amp 18650 and you should be fine, or you can simply charge it on the go. It's really up to you. Hands-free this light, that's another nice plus. You just set it down as a table lamp. If you're working on the car, stick it to it. Aim that side light wherever you're working on the car, changing a tire. Be a good little light to have in your vehicle as well. And most of all, it's budget friendly. Well, I want to thank WARSUN for sending me this SQ03 to review. Now, if this kit is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below to their Amazon store. Also working on a special discount code. If I do get that, it'll be there as well, and that should help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from WARSUN to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.